Hi, boys and girls. Today you just finished rereading the story Big Al, and then you worked together as a class to identify some ways that Al and the fish were acting at the beginning of the story and how they were acting by the end of the story. So, what you're going to do is you're going to be getting a blank piece of paper and you're going to fold it in half or draw a line down the middle like I did, and then on the tops of your papers, you're going to write beginning on one side, and on the other side, you're going to write the word end. And I simply just want you to draw a picture on either side showing how the fish and Big Al acted at the beginning of the story and how they acted at the end of the story. So underneath beginning, you're going to write how they acted at the beginning, and you're going to and under end, you're going to draw a picture about how they were at the end of the story.